Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be showing you some secret places that I have found while playing Adopt Me with my friends. Okay, so to get to the first one, you are going to need a flying pet and any kind of stroller. What you're going to do is walk over to the hospital. So slowly you can walk over to the hospital, or you could fly on the pet, and you're going to go into the hospital. And there, you are going to then see, in here, you could stick your pet through the wall in the stroller on the right side of the hospital. And then what you're going to do is turn your camera and fly on it. And then there is a secret area that is here, and you could just fool around in here and not show people your best pets because you don't want to be swamped with traits. Okay, the next one that I'm going to show you is going to be in the, it's in the nursery, and it makes you look like you are a pet that escaped from the eggs, and it makes it look like really funny, because you look really weird when you're doing it. So I'm gonna go in here and stick my penguin named Flippy through the wall here and fly on him. But right now it just doesn't want to work, so let me try this again. Because sometimes pets just don't like you. Oh, it was my internet. Okay, well that is not good. I'm going to go back into Adopt Me. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know why that happened. I have pretty good Wi-Fi, but just happens sometimes. I do like this new screen recorder thing, hashtag CarriePlays_YouTube, for telling me about this new screen recorder. Okay, so I'm going to go back into this, and this actually, I can just show you the secret room in the mermaid house as we're here. So you get to take out your flying pet and any kind of stroller, because any kind works. You're going to take it, and from the door, turn right, and you're going to walk over here, stick it through the wall, and fly on it. Then there's this whole area over here that you could like be in hide and seek with and just never ever get found, which I think is honestly pretty cool, because I've done it before and they never found me or the other person. But I'm going to teleport to the nursery, and I'm going to try this one again and hope that my internet does not break this time. Come on. There we go. So you're going to go on the right side and fly. And then you have this whole area outside of the eggs and outside of the baby heart. And you can go in this little house here. You can go anywhere you like that's been out here. And then to get back in, you just get your pet back in the stroller. And then you fly on it again.